Welcome back to Car Update, your trusted destination for in-depth automotive insights and exclusive looks at the most luxurious machines hitting the road. Today, we're diving deep into the world of British luxury and power to talk about the all-new 2026 Bentley Continental GT, a car that perfectly embodies elegance, performance, and the unmistakable heritage of grand touring excellence. The Continental GT has always been Bentley's crown jewel, a symbol of handcrafted luxury blended with astonishing power, and the 2026 model takes this legacy to an entirely new level. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT continues to be the heart and soul of Bentley's lineup, representing more than just a grand tourer. It's a statement of craftsmanship and modern engineering. At first glance, the new Continental GT looks familiar, but look closer and you'll see a revolution beneath its sculpted skin. Bentley has refined the design language for 2026 with a bolder, more aerodynamic body that retains the unmistakable Bentley presence. The car features a wider stance, a lower roofline, and sharper lines that give it a more athletic posture while preserving its graceful elegance. The signature matrix grille is now even more prominent, flanked by new elliptical LED headlights with intricate crystal-cut detailing inspired by fine glass craftsmanship. These lights not only look stunning but also provide superior illumination, adapting intelligently to road conditions. The side profile showcases Bentley's signature power line, sweeping elegantly from the front fender to the rear haunches. The 2026 model sits on redesigned 22-inch alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, including gloss black, polished aluminum, and a striking two-tone diamond pattern. The rear design has been reimagined with slimmer taillights that seamlessly integrate with the body, a subtle spoiler that deploys automatically at speed, and a new quad exhaust layout that signals the car's performance intentions. Bentley's new paint technology introduces over 80 color options, and the brand's Mulliner customization program allows owners to personalize nearly every aspect of the exterior, from carbon fiber mirror caps to unique badges and pinstripes, making each Continental GT a true reflection of its owner's taste. Step inside, and the 2026 Continental GT redefines automotive luxury once again. The interior is a masterclass in craftsmanship, combining traditional hand-built quality with cutting-edge technology. Every inch of the cabin is wrapped in the finest materials: hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, polished metals, and crystal-like switchgear. Bentley offers new sustainable materials for 2026, including high-quality natural fibers, eco-leather alternatives, and even recycled veneers for environmentally conscious customers. The iconic rotating display remains a centerpiece of the dashboard, seamlessly blending analog elegance with digital sophistication. With a simple rotation, the driver can switch between a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 3 analog dials, or a clean veneer finish for a minimalist look. The seating in the 2026 Continental GT is both luxurious and functional. Bentley's new air chamber seat technology adjusts cushioning dynamically to maintain comfort over long distances. Both front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer up to 22-way adjustment with massage functions. The rear seats, while best suited for shorter trips, provide ample comfort for 2 additional passengers, wrapped in the same exquisite materials as the front. A new ambient lighting system allows occupants to customize the cabin mood, with 30 different color tones and LED accents integrated subtly into the doors and dashboard. The name for Bentley Premium Audio System remains one of the finest in the world, offering a 2,200-watt sound experience through 18 speakers and active bass transducers built into the seats for a concert-like audio immersion. Under the hood, the 2026 Continental GT takes a massive leap forward in performance and efficiency. Bentley has retired the legendary W12 engine, marking the end of an era, and replaced it with a groundbreaking plug-in hybrid powertrain called the Ultra Performance Hybrid. This new system pairs a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine with a powerful electric motor to produce a staggering 782 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. Power is sent to all 4 wheels through an updated dual-clutch 8-speed transmission, ensuring instant throttle response and smooth power delivery. The electric motor alone is capable of propelling the car up to 50 miles in pure electric mode, ideal for urban driving without emissions. When combined, The hybrid system allows the Continental GT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed of 208 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Grand Tourers on the planet. Bentley's new hybrid system isn't just about performance, it's about refinement. The transition between electric and combustion power is almost imperceptible, and the system optimizes energy recovery during braking and coasting. A new adaptive air suspension with predictive damping reads the road ahead using cameras and sensors, adjusting the ride height and stiffness in real time. Whether you're gliding along a coastal highway or carving through mountain passes, the Continental GT maintains an impeccable balance between comfort and control. The car also features Bentley's latest all-wheel steering and electronic limited slip differential, providing enhanced agility at low speeds and superior stability at high speeds. The driving experience of the 2026 Continental GT is nothing short of extraordinary. Bentley has tuned this Grand Tourer to deliver effortless power and serene comfort in equal measure. The steering feels precise and weighted, the acceleration is instant and relentless, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even at triple-digit speeds. There's a sense of power and authority that makes every journey special, whether it's a daily commute or a cross-country adventure. Drivers can choose from multiple driving modes, including Comfort, Sport, Bentley, and Custom, each altering throttle response, suspension behavior, and steering feedback. The Sport mode sharpens everything up for spirited driving, while Comfort ensures the smoothest possible ride. The Bentley mode offers a perfect balance, automatically adapting to conditions for the ideal Grand Touring experience. Technology takes center stage in the 2026 model. The infotainment system is now faster, more intuitive, and seamlessly connected with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A new voice assistant, powered by AI, can respond naturally to commands, allowing drivers to adjust navigation, music, or climate control without taking their hands off the wheel. Over-the-air updates ensure that the system stays current with the latest software enhancements. The 3D navigation system displays real-time traffic and even provides augmented reality overlays on the head-up display, guiding drivers visually through complex intersections. The car's driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and even a self-parking feature for effortless maneuvering in tight spaces. Safety has also been significantly upgraded for the 2026 Bentley Continental GT. The new structure uses lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber composites, improving rigidity while reducing weight by nearly 70 kilograms. Bentley's advanced pre-sense technology monitors the surroundings continuously, preparing the vehicle for impact by tightening seatbelts and adjusting suspension to minimize damage. The car also comes with night vision assist, detecting pedestrians and animals in the dark, and a highway pilot feature that allows semi-autonomous driving in specific conditions. From a sustainability standpoint, Bentley is moving boldly toward its goal of becoming an all-electric brand by 2030, and the 2026 Continental GT serves as a crucial step in that transition. The hybrid system significantly reduces emissions while maintaining the performance and luxury Bentley owners expect. The factory in Crewe, England, where each Continental GT is hand-built, is now certified carbon neutral, with renewable energy sources and waste reduction initiatives ensuring the brand's commitment to a greener future. Even the leather used in the cabin is ethically sourced, and some interior options now use natural wool blends or recycled composites to minimize environmental impact without compromising luxury. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT starts at around $250,000 for the base hybrid model, while the more powerful speed variant pushes past $300,000. With Mulliner customization, bespoke paintwork, and individualized interiors, it's easy for buyers to surpass $400,000 depending on personal preferences. But for those who can afford it, the Continental GT remains one of the most desirable luxury cars in the world. A blend of timeless design, effortless performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship. The 2026 Continental GT symbolizes everything Bentley stands for: heritage, innovation, and sophistication. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about the journey, the feel of power under your fingertips, and the unmatched serenity inside one of the world's finest cabins. Whether cruising through European boulevards or conquering the open highway, the Continental GT continues to set the benchmark for Grand Touring excellence. As we wrap up today's review, It's clear that Bentley hasn't just built another car. They've created an experience, one that blends art and engineering into a singular vision of modern luxury. The 2026 Continental GT is a car that honors its heritage while embracing the future, and for those lucky enough to drive it, every mile is a reminder of why Bentley remains in a class of its own. This has been Car Update, your go-to channel for everything on the latest automotive innovations, luxury cars, and performance machines. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Bentley Continental GT, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more exclusive reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this hybrid Grand Tourer over an Aston Martin DB12 or a Mercedes-AMG SL 63? Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more updates from the world of cars and beyond.